Houseplants are a fantastic way to bring life and color into your home, but not everyone has a green thumb or the time to care for demanding plants. If you're looking for low-maintenance options that are almost impossible to kill, this video is for you. Today we're exploring the easiest houseplants to take care of, perfect for beginners or anyone who wants the beauty of indoor plants without the hassle. But first, a quick note. If you have pets at home, pay close attention because some of these plants aren't pet-friendly. First up, we have the snake plant. This plant is practically indestructible, thriving on neglect and handling low light, though it prefers bright, indirect light. Watering is minimal, just give it a drink every 2 to 3 weeks, and it will keep growing with its striking, upright leaves. However, be cautious if you have pets. Snake plants are toxic to both dogs and cats if ingested. Next is the ZZ plant. This plant is perfect for those who forget to water. It stores water in its thick, glossy leaves, allowing it to survive in low light and low humidity. Water it once the soil is completely dry, usually once a month, and it'll reward you with slow but steady growth. But keep it out of reach of pets, as it's also toxic if ingested. The pothos is another excellent choice. It's a fast grower that thrives in various lighting conditions, from low light to bright indirect sunlight. Pothos is very forgiving when it comes to watering. Just let the soil dry out between waterings. Its trailing vines can add a touch of greenery to any space, whether placed in a hanging basket or on a shelf. However, pothos is toxic to pets, so make sure it's out of their reach. The spider plant is a resilient option that's also pet-friendly. Known for its air-purifying qualities, it thrives in indirect light and only needs watering about once a week. Plus, it produces babies, or offshoots that you can easily propagate into new plants, making it both easy to care for and safe for your furry friends. Finally, the peace lily is perfect if you want a plant that not only looks good, but also blooms indoors. It thrives in low to medium light and only needs watering when the top inch of soil feels dry. As a bonus, it helps purify the air, making it a great choice for bedrooms or living areas. However, it's important to note that peace lilies are toxic to pets, so keep them out of reach. These easy care houseplants are perfect for anyone looking to add some green to their home without the stress of high-maintenance care. With minimal effort, you'll have a thriving indoor garden that brings life and beauty into your space. Just remember to place the toxic plants where pets can't reach them. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to Gardenbound for more tips on easy, beautiful houseplants. Happy planting!